Hello, fellow food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're bringing you the earthy goodness of portobello mushrooms in 3 delectable vegan recipes. Get ready for a flavor-packed journey. Wait, before we starting I introduce you Alpillion supplement weight loss in 7 days. Now let's dive into the video. We have a hearty main course, portobello mushroom steaks. These are perfect for a satisfying meal. Let's grill them to perfection. Ingredients: for this recipe, gather, for large portobello mushrooms, stems removed, a quarter cup of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, salt and pepper to taste. Fire up the grill, it's steak time. Marinating and grilling: in a bowl, whisk together balsamic vinegar, olive oil, minced garlic, dried thyme, salt, and pepper. Pour this marinade over the portobello mushrooms and let them soak up the flavors for about 15 minutes. Grilling: now, grill the marinated portobello mushrooms for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side, or until they're tender and have those beautiful grill marks. Serving: serve these portobello mushroom steaks hot, and you'll have a satisfying and protein-packed meal. In this video, we've shared valuable insights and practical tips to kickstart your journey towards a healthier you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your life. Click the link now and take the first step towards a happier, healthier, and more confident you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss a scrumptious recipe like this one.